Hi traders. So this video will be a really simple one because I saw so many comments and questions from you, and you always ask the same questions like what is an expert advisor, a trading robot for example. And I am a really generous man and I am really handsome, so I want to help you because I want to give back to the world, so you can be handsome too. And so in this video I will talk about what is an expert advisor and basically what it does, because I understand there's so many confusions about this topic, and I hope you pray for me so a white jaguar won't eat me alive during this video and I can share the valuable information with you. So the main question is almost always the following. Actually, three questions. So the first is, an expert advisor, a trading robot, if it comes with a strategy, or you can set your strategy and build it in the expert advisor. And I have to tell you that as a programmer it sounds like a really just interesting question, because the truth is the following. You can do it both ways. So in one way you can code an expert advisor, or you can just ask someone to code it for you, or hire a developer to do it for you. And this way you can implement your strategy in the expert advisor that you will use. So the second method is when you buy an expert advisor with a strategy that just comes with it and you can't change the strategy, and when there are just asshole developers and they don't even let you to change the stop loss and take profit levels, but don't buy those robots because they are bullshit. And so this is the two kind of expert advisors. One way you build it, and the other way you buy it and use a strategy. But of course my recommendation is to the first thing is to just have a really good strategy that you can use, and you as in the jungle, you learn and practice and you are stronger and faster and and this kind of stuff, because that is fun, and this way you will survive and you won't be a loser, and you will chase those white jaguars and hippos in the wide South American jungle, and they won't chase you. So the second method can be just really good as well, but you have to know the strategy behind the EA that you buy, or at least you have to know the 99.9% quality data backtest, because if you use low quality tick data, it won't matter and you won't know the real answers to your questions about the statistics of this certain robot. So the second question that almost always comes to mind is the following. What is a set file for an expert advisor? And a set file is basically a tool. Like in the jungle, you can use a knife, or you can use your fists, or you can use your tongue, or if you are weird. But you can use whatever you want. It is a tool. Or if you are cooking, you can use the fork, you can use the spoon, salt and pepper. So the set file is basically a parameter set in a technical language, but a tool to trade not one but many multiple currency pairs or stocks or even indexes and metals with the same strategy, the same expert advisor. So it is not true that for every instrument or asset you have to use a different expert advisor. You don't have to. What you have to do is to get the set files for the certain assets and instruments, and of course there are strategies that are better for metals and stocks or Forex, but in general you can use the same expert advisor if you have a powerful computer, if you hire a developer to optimize your robot to get the set files for those instruments. And that is really important because metals and Forex and stocks are so different in terms of volume and volatility and stop loss and take profit levels, so you have to optimize it. The last thing is that you always ask is the VPS. When you ask me what is an expert advisor, how can I get it, you always ask if the expert if you have an expert advisor and you just turn off your computer, if it still works. And you have to imagine the following: if you are in the jungle and you go to sleep, you're still hunting? No, because you are sleeping, so that doesn't work. You have to hire someone to hunt for you while you sleep if you want to. So a virtual server is basically the same as, in the jungle you would hire someone, some wild man like me to hunt wild jaguars and hippos while you are sleeping, because I won't say harsh words because I don't want to hurt your feelings, but you know what I wanted to say. So VPS is a virtual server, and basically you hire a computer that will trade with your expert advisor for your behalf even when you are sleeping. So you can turn off your computer, you can go to sleep, you can go to make love or drink a sip of tea or coffee or anything, and you just do that, and your computer, your VPS will trade for you, like 0 to just forever. So not forever, until you pay your bills for the VPS, because virtual servers cost a little bit of money, but it of course worth the price. And I use VPS because when I travel I can't always just left my computer open. So I recommend to use that. And yeah, this was today's video. I hope you enjoy life and making love and drink coffee and tea and eat some toast. I'm really hungry, so I have to hunt some food. Bye.